How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today. Here at the Auto Connect, we have a 2006 Audi A4 Premium Plus Quattro, all-wheel drive, 101,000 miles. Just serviced it. I mean, there is some light scratches on the vehicle, but for a 06, the body is in excellent shape. You got a little chip down there, another paint chip over here. Overall, she's really clean, drives really well. Has leather, has a sunroof. You can see there is some wear, as you would expect on a 2006, but overall, it's very well kept. She has 101,936 miles on it. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a holler, 228-438-2056. You can text us as well. Shoot us an email, theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for checking out our video. And if you have any repair needs for Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, or other foreign domestic vehicles, give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.